Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Beauty Dream. So today I'm going to do unboxing of nail art kit which I bought from Amazon. So let's do it. Okay, these are the products which I got in this combo. I have got 10 striping tapes. These are of different colors and they are very nicely packed. They are packed individually so that they don't stick to each other. Look. Quantity is also nice. Then I got this tip guide and the 5 nail art tools, or you can call it nail art pen, and these 15 nail art brushes. They are of different shape and sizes. Art pen or tools. These are of different sizes for making different kind of patterns. You can use it from both the sides. Fan brushes are also there. Bristles are soft. Fan brushes are good. So that's it for the video, guys. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.